Welcome to All Furniture Services, where no job is too big or too small. They handle them all and will find possible right solutions for any service needed. Customers and companies have options to repair, restore, or replace. Furniture is man-made product and almost always possible to repair or restore. The professional team of the company is capable of handling as well as carrying everything necessary to provide immediate on-site service. On-site or in-shop professional services offered to all manufacturers, stores, retailers, designers, vendors, warehouses, medical facilities, offices, hotels, restaurants, construction, moving, logistics, delivery, warranty, insurance, and protection plan companies, as well as individual customers. All Furniture Services is your one-stop shop for all your furniture repair, antique restoration, wood finishing, upholstery, disassembly, assembly, mechanism, glass and metalwork cleaning, dyeing, rug, and carpentry needs. They eliminate problems, find ways to get longevity and beauty for the furniture so it can serve you longer and better, and or change its look and size, shape and material, and details that may be even better option than replacement. AFS service multiple states and have technicians that specialized in different materials and fields, allowing them to handle everything needed by best rules and procedures that were set in place and constantly improving with years of experience. All Furniture Services is also an official licensed warranty and protection plan repair service company, facility maintenance handler, as well as claims resolution provider for many logistics, shipping, final leg delivery, moving, and insurance companies. Submit a service request. Email info@furnitureservices.com or call at 718-268-2727.